Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. This is part 3 of my 3-part series on DIY disc golf goal. You can see this is all done. Throwing some discs at it, made one right there, and ended up working out really good. So in this third video, we are putting on the chains and just finishing up. So stay tuned. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and let's get going on this DIY.
At this point, you might say, well, it looks pretty darn good, but what about the chains? What about the chains? That's what the yellow plastic chain was at the beginning of the video. I am going to use zip ties. It doesn't got to be real tight. You can put this as tight as you want, as loose as you want. And then on the bottom, the ring that you have already put in here with the holes in it. Let's try right there for now.
The plastic chain is really easy to cut. I was using some tin snips, I think those are, or sheet metal shears. The length of my chain was 19 or 20 lengths. Some were give or take 2 somehow, but I'm always the cut twice, measure once person. Just attach them to the top of the net with a zip tie. You don't really need to go too tight. It could be really loose. It's all how you want to put it. When you attach it to the bottom, try to make sure you use the same number of links from the top to the bottom ring. I believe mine was 15 links to the bottom ring. At first I put 2 of them too close. I had to cut it off and move it over 1 hole. But real simple. Real easy to put this on, and you could adjust anything really however you want. Cut off all the ends on the zip ties right here and on the top.
This is my DIY. I'm amazed. This is my DIY disc golf goal. I like it. Let me go find a catch disc or a fun disc and give it a whirl.